Unfortunately kasi wala. Wala tayong nakaset na protocol na kung sino ba yung mga officials na entitled na sabihin nating magpatigil ng trapiko for 30 minutes kasi dadaan sila. Unfortunately, wala. In my experience, yung ganyan is usually a conversation between the president and yung group commander ng PSG. Kasi syempre, again, hindi porket may privilege ka, kailangan mong i-exercise or i-avail. Diba? So, in the time of President Aquino, he was very adamant about not causing traffic or not making traffic worse. So, pero syempre, may input ang PSG commander dyan. Sasabihin, sir, alam naman nating delikado kapag matagal kayong nakatenga ng nakatigil, 'di ba? So it was a compromise conversation then, and I expect that every president has that same conversation with their PSG commander.